Alright, let's try this again. Welcome back. Technical difficulties, excuse that. We're working through the TJ no list still. The next box is Jeeves. We've got this far. We've completed all of these, and now we're just working our way down the rest of them. Yo, Suka. Alright, we should be good now. Stream looks good. I hope it's good. It better be good. There we go. All right. And we already ran this one, the M map. Taking the shorts off will reduce frame drop because it has to load the shorts in. That makes sense. That calculates. The shorts might be off. Okay, so it's we got a web server. And then we have port 50,000. Jetty snapshot. Problem accessing. Reason. This feels like a port that should not be open. We have SMB user. So anonymous is not allowed. Is what I'm understanding. 10, 6, 3. Yeah. Okay, so we can't do anything anonymous. YouTube's bugging right now. We should be good though now. Yeah, we're live. Let's check out this website. Ask Jeeves. Is this the Jenkins guy? Jenkins automation. Oh no, it's... Oh, it might be. Oops. That was a write-up. Yeah, I think that is the Jenkins guy. Fuzz the 50,000. Okay, we can swing that. I want to see what this is, though. Web images. This loads a photo. System data SQL client exemption. Conversion failed when converting. Oh, interesting. So it's MSSQL. Here's the web root, sock puppets app code. Interesting. This is just an image though. Try maybe open SQL injection. Yeah, it's returning an SQL error. It's giving us a lot of information right now. Okay, so let's do this. CD, CTF, make directory, Jeeves. That to type KiraSec test. It just returns the exact same message page. Yo, SMP. Appreciate you, brother. Conversion failed when converting the value to data type integer. Why is it trying to convert the server name? Okay, and it's problem accessing reason. Is this LFI? We're in the golden age of computers. People before us didn't have computers, so they don't understand it. We have computers, we understand it, but the generation after us will use phone for everything. There was something interesting that, who's the one guy that Droid really likes? The Primogen. There was a study on computer literacy, and it's going down now because everything is touchscreen and uses applications. So the younger generation is declining in computer literacy. Port 80. Looked either LFI or SQL injection. Yeah, it did. We'll fuzz both these ports. Do we get our robots? No. This does feel like SQL though, doesn't it? So let's do this. CD Speech Pro. There's error.html. Better paying jobs, true. The Zoomers. The Zoomers do be zooming. Alright, so let's make a new one. Tech Jeeves. Let's use this project config. Let's also try port 5000. Or 50,000 actually. And let's go change some of these default settings that I have set. So SOX proxy is off. 8080. And then scope will be this. Can't do subdomains. That makes sense. Problem accessing home. Backslash Windows backslash window. INI. Alright, this is going to be fun. Let's move this to the first. Oh, we're already on the first workspace? Okay. How the fuck did I already become Onk? That's a good question. Error.html is really it? It just returns this. Conversion failed when converting. So let's intercept this. Oh wait, this is on 81, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Port 8080. It is an image. I'm very curious as to what this means. Oops. There we go. Does it just go straight there? Where is this being submitted to? Hello, test. Is this getting sent to the backend? Why is that request? Why can't we see that request? Interesting. Shuko won the duel. That's too good. Where is this searching to then? Let's do this. Exploit. Ooh. Web XML. Is it vulnerable to LFI then? It looks like this could be directory traversal. Windows, window INI. And this main page is not giving us any life. But we know what's on the back end here. LFI wordless. Yes, there is an LFI wordless in SecList. We also can use this. Add fuzzing path traversal. Try that. We forgot to swap the base. Bad URI. Oh. So what if we don't URL encode them? Don't try this in OSCP, but pros not allowed to burp free. Yeah, I know. You're right. So for the sake of that, do we just run SecList? Or could we do this? Let's try capturing an NTLM hash. So let's do ifconfig 10.10.14.21. So let's do sudo responder. 10.10.14.21. Send to repeater. So let's do 10.10.14.21. Help. Watch the street, I watch the radio. I don't need to turn it on. When my friend comes by and tries to say hello. Another weekend's almost gone. Not the letters that you just don't write. Not the arms of some new.
Welcome to Last Lyrics.
Welcome.
What's good?
Let's go. Appreciate the follow.
Yeah.
No, so maybe not capturing the hash or the NTLM, which I guess is a hash, right? So not found. So let's do locate SecList grep Windows. Oh wait, we know the Windows root directory from this error. So what if we do this? We can see this in the source code. So we'll do git
Welcome boarding wizard.
Let's go. Welcome. ChatGPT is not allowed. That is correct. Webroot sock underscore puppets app code generic plus data access. Yes. Not gonna get found either. Well, what's it gonna take then? What if we just do, let's remove everything and just do local files Windows. It me to URL encode. Could we get generic? Huh. Yes. So if it does return directory listings, that would be, I guess, another finding or vulnerability, which would make LFI a whole lot more dangerous. None of this is found. Okay. Windows file like, let's see, password. Windows System 32. System 32. Drivers, Etsy, host. Not found. What if we go up one? Okay, so it doesn't like that at all. Try to see if maybe there's a bypass for it. Not found. I was thinking maybe it was sanitizing the two semicolons or the two periods and one of the slashes. Bad URI. Reason not found. What up, Flavor? You kind of forgot to have enumeration in the background on the other port you have found. Well, so I ran dir search on port 50,000. Still just kind of going through the motions on the site. There's probably, if I do locate seclist grep Jenkins, tech I. Jenkins Hudson. I'll just take a look at this one. Let's try that. That looks like a good one. So let's clear, load, web contents, Jenkins Hudson. And then let's also on URL encode. EXIF tool on that image. Oh, good idea. Let's go to CD download, EXIF tool. Nothing crazy. My bad. I don't even have FairLesser installed. Huh. Alright, so I don't think it's gonna be LFI, but it's giving us a lot of versions. We can run that again. Pharaoh Buster. 50,000. Tag URL. Yeah, just a little glitch. 50,000. Yes. We're running on both. Style.css. Steg hide? Wouldn't it be steg crack? Seen steg hide a few times. I thought it was steg crack. Tag extract. Jeez. Tag XF. We need steg crack. Try a new word list. Yes, yeah, that's a good idea. Okay. Word list, and we'll grab. We already ran the Jenkins one on this. We also found some stuff already on exploit Jetty. Cold Fusion, that's a later one. 9.4. Versions affected 9.4. This could be us. What is the URL? Let's try and figure out real quick. I want to test this, see if we get the web file. URIs can be crafted using some encoded characters to access content of the web infrastructure and bypass some security constraints. For example, can retrieve. Really? Not found. About that. Maybe not then? Actually, it gives us webroot sock puppets. What if we try replacing these app code? No. Sock puppets? No. No. King of the Hill. Directory list medium. We threw the raft medium directories at it. We can try grep directories. We're not wordless, suckless. Let's try common directories. What about raft large directories? And that's on 50,000. Let's see, employees want to have some fun by giving away every admin password on an image. True. And we can run that also. Oops. Right here. Style error. We're supposed to do something with this. Unhandled exception. So why is it trying to convert that to an integer? Can we see the Jetty version? .4.z. Snapshot. This song. Say Yes to Heaven. So nothing here. Nothing here either. Powered by Jetty snapshots. Problem accessing. Exploit Jetty port 50,000. You. It's not supported. I don't think it's, no, that's all these just write-ups. Exploit Jenkins. Okay, so this is all just write-ups. Let's click on one that's not a write-up. To perform a CV, configure Jenkins. Application octet stream. Oh, CLI? Change request method to post to CLI. Ooh, what if we try that? Oops. This will just be the standard. So if we do CLI, change request method post. Okay, so let's try this. That's fine. Do we have everything for this? CD tools, nano, Jenkins.py, chmod plus x, Jenkins.py, Python 30, Jenkins.py, tag T, 10, 10, 10, 6, 3, tag P, we'll try both, 80 and that. Tech F, Windows, file or directory not found. Windows System 32. Let's see. What up, Sneaky? I see you, Suka. You really want me to extract this? I'm not British. Unfortunately not. What if the file I want is just web.xml? Okay, so it's not vulnerable to this. I don't believe so. A well-fed. Yeah. Jetty 9.4. What else does it tell us from this error page? We have an SQL version. Here's the source file, web root. And this port 50,000. Let's do exploit Jetty snapshot. Oh my god, it's all Jeeves. It's all the write-ups. Request is invalid. What is this saying? Error accessing. Problem accessing that not found. Jetty 9.4Z snapshot. Exploit. Did you fuzz a different word list? I threw the raft large directory at both. And we weren't able to get anything to stick besides error and style. Style CSS error.html. We could do this. Ref files. Ref large files. Try this again. There's no other directories that currently show up. Found Jeeves.png. Got error style. Subdomain enumeration. What makes Jetty click a good target to try exploiting because it returns an error? So this is part of the hack the box. It's one of the challenges. What's interesting is this isn't a true error. It's an image of an error, which makes it really weird. There's also this input here that doesn't do anything. I don't think it's making a request. It just returns this big image with SQL on the back end. There's other word lists that suggested. The directory list medium. Yeah, that's pretty much what I use the directory list. I just use the RAF version, which was 35. I don't know, we've thrown like 100,000 things at it. MySQL read local. What is this? What is this one? What if we do LFI? Let's try that maybe. Maybe it's not LFI still. I don't think it's LFI either anymore. I think it's gonna be something with this versioning. We just have to look into it. It said it was Jetty RCE. Oops. Sorry. 9.4. Really? We don't have any cookies though. Pwn Painter's domain. Nice. I think there's, yeah, Painters is just the beginning. I think there's 3 more. I'm pretty sure there's 3. Context specific temporary directory. Ask Jeeves. I'm trying to see if there's information. Webroot sock puppets. Webroot sock puppets. User controls. Discipline select. ASCX CS. Interesting. I mean, I guess that's supposed to happen. This one is so weird. Powered by Jetty. Exploit Jenkins for 50,000. I mean, what if we do like telnet 10 10 10? What if we connect to that port? No URI. 10 10 10 10 10 14 21. Why is that not one of... No URI. Telnet HTTP error 400. Oh, that? Unknown version. That's a different error though. Unknown version. Unknown version. There's not even a login portal on either of those endpoints though. Unknown version, telnet response. Can we use Netcat to connect to try and... Netcat. Tag P. And then we need an address. Tag S.
Two people on a carpet with light around the curtains. Two people from a circus on a flying carpet. Give me 1,001 nights to tell you this story, and then I'll help with the dishes.
It's not listening, but Telnet worked for a second. So we tried the large RAF directory list. I mean, we threw everything at it. I really don't think at this point it's gonna be that.
Let me re-up your dose of grape. Don't stain your spotless mood. Up close, your face don't look the same
This
as from a
Telnet response is interesting though.
tidier. Your hair the sort of
HTTP. What?
pleasant sky at night on the ceiling. Desert island duvet plotter bearing in the sea. Two bedouin people just sharing out the tea. Two people on a carpet couldn't care for what's real.
HTTP. That's interesting that it's returning this though to 400, but it's for different errors. So we're talking to it.
On a carpet with light around the curtains. Two people from a circus on a flying carpet. You're wiser than your years. But everything changes.
Telnet
When it does,
help.
wise people refuse.
Is there a way to connect with?
You caught me at a good time, 'cause I'm feeling bad. Tonight the wind is following your command. Is it the Arabian aromas? Or maybe it's the takeaway? Your eyes are off an advert.
It's not ghost hunting. You have to do the get. So get 10, 10, 14, 21 HTTP.
Take you back to my loneliest thoughts.
Like
Maybe
this.
my back has got to know the wall. Aimless describing what I'm saying in it. But you persuade me to define what I'm saying in it.
Oh, that worked.
I want life from the sky with none of the pain of living.
Pseudo
I'm
responder.
afraid of heights, but I'm afraid of width. Had your heart broken, but you
Is
made
it gonna send off?
taking a
So it needs to be git host 10, 10, 14, 21. Like that. Oh, okay. Get this, and then HTTP 1.1. Here we go. You're basically replaying what a browser does. If you want this.
Welcome MSSQQ.
Well,
What's good?
what are you coming in?
Yeah.
Yeah, so get that. But then I'm missing a host header. That's the issue also. Action URI.
Creeping through the night. On a route master bus. One street to another.
It says no host.
All I see is fragile hearts. Hello, mate.
Submit HTTP request via telnet.
Fuck it. You were my friend. Somehow we all remain together.
Oh. So that worked. Okay, so
Awkward.
I don't even think we have one for telnet.
Again, shall we?
Oh, we do not. Let's add one. Default toolkit, host 10, 10, 14, 21.
Turn left up the street, nothing but grey concrete and dead beats. Grab something sweet, Mickey D's or KFC. Only one choice in this city.
Oh, it's doing the same thing.
Let's get to the nitty gritty. Tune reminds me of my first D. Like unique, still 16 and feeling horny.
It's literally doing what we're doing in a browser. Oh my god. Okay.
Smiles in front and behind me. Swimming the deep blue sea, cornfields sway lazily.
Blank line. Yeah, it's literally it's returning this exact same request at this point now.
Rising pianos, this is my zone.
Must revalidate.
Pick paper, scissors or stone. 'Cause me and you are the same. Known you all my life, I don't know your name. Name's European Bob.
Jetty
Anyway, have a damn
problem accessing.
please keep it likewise, a pleasure.
Oh, that's one too many zeros.
You will smile, you will sing,
Mm-mm.
you will sing, you will sing.
Hack tricks. Jetty. Oh, is it gonna be that? Deserialization? Hack tricks Jenkins? Alright, hold on. I'm gonna use the restroom real quick. Water's moving today. Post if you want to send it info. Ah. Let me try that real quick. Well, we can just do that same exact thing. Alright, I'll be right back. if you change the get line to host, well, I'm making the same request, right? No host. Oh. Request forbidden by administrative rules. So if we change this to 127.0.0.1, what if we change this to localhost? Oh, you're right. Oh, I spelled localhost wrong. Protocol scheme host. Before, it looks like we didn't need to use, from what I read online, unknown version now. Two lines. Yo, Nat. Get it? I see. And then it will be a host beneath it. It doesn't like that. What about 1.0? What is it using online? 1.1. Localhost. Unknown version. Request forbidden anyways. I mean, it's blocking. I mean, we're making the same request on Telnet as we are in the browser. So from what I saw here, you do need to include it. Okay. My bad. That one's on me. Unknown version. HTTP 1.0. host. You think, and then 1.1, and we'll go localhost. Unknown version. Get what about just that? In your notes, look at the first T2 lines. It has to be a single line. Or what if we just connected like this? The request is badly formed. File or directory not found. Okay, so that worked though. It has to be 2 lines. I know it won't hold though. Host, localhost. You know the vibes. .404 not found. That's what we're trying. Alright. That doesn't want to hold. So let's see. I mean, we just gotta... Let's do this, actually. Let's do search exploit Jetty 9.4. And then... I mean, this will do it for us. Search exploit tag J. This was released in 2017, so this exploit's not gonna work. Because this exploit was found or published 2021. I don't think that's gonna work. So what if you look up Jenkins? Windows NT. Internal. Well, this version wouldn't have even existed because this exploit's from 2021 and the box was made in 2017. So unless they zero date it for 4 years, right? This would be a newer version of software. This would be 4 years later that they predicted the exploit. Exploit Jetty 9.4C. What if we just do that? It's giving us a directory listing. Yeah, Jenkins or Jetty. That's what this one was for Jetty. And the Jetty exploit. I'm pretty sure this is the same one, no? Yeah, the information disclosure is 2021. But is the same Jetty software version, so I don't know. WebXML. What if we just took this pack? Just did that. Nothing because it's on 8080. What if we did that for 50,000? Have you found the juicy directory yet? I have not found the juicy directory yet. That would be what you were trying to do in shell. Put that in the bar after IP. Durbuster. Locate TechEye Durbuster. Ten. 63 for 5,000. Actually, we'll just do this. Fairbuster. Virtuous 2.3 medium. Oh, is it because I'm using the lowercase one? $220,000. Jeez. Alright, let's see what this finds. Do I need to add extensions? Webroot sock underscore puppets. Ask Jeeves. Why is... Whoa. Really? What's up? What up, Twinkle? No, this is Hack the Box. Whoa. Okay. Jenkins 2.8. Awesome. Thank you. That was very helpful. Hello, I got places to be. 2.4. What version are we on? 2.8. Jenkins server exploit. Initial reconnaissance straightforward. Two pass, one goal. We can use Metasploit. We choose to use the script console page. We need to manually set up a listener to connect back to our target. Can log in. Credentials. Global credentials. Empty. So here we go. Script console. That looks like that's gonna be our one. Script console looks like RC. Yes, sir. Get path. Oh, shit. Okay. Who am I? Oh, here we go. So this is how we execute commands in the script console. Jeeves. Kosuke. Oh, it's almost Suka. You're almost on there. Can we do LS and see if this is PowerShell? Is this PowerShell? Let's do Windows CMD reverse shell. Ten days. 10, 10, 14, 21, 444 is fine. Could try this. NCTAC LVMP 4444. Print exception. End of file found hidden. Traveling thread unknown source. So print ln. Type an arbitrary groovy script. So let's do this. Groovy script reverse shell. Pure groovy. Hey man, quick question. Welcome. Also try hack Eagle. Installing VMware, so I wonder should I use WHP or Hyper-V? I think I use hypervisor. What is the difference between WHP and Hyper-V? Let's see. Windows hypervisor platform versus Hyper-V. So the Windows and the Hyper-V are both hypervisors to create VMs. Hyper-V type 1. WHP is designed for running lightweight applications, while Hyper-V is designed for running more demanding applications. Okay, so Hyper-V sounds like is what you'd want if you're running a VM. You're going to be doing a lot off it. I also don't use Windows at all, so I just use VMware Workstation. Somebody else might be better off answering that. Let's see what this conclusion says. The best hypervisor for you depends on your needs and requirements. If you need to run a wide range of guest operating systems, WHP is a good option. If you need the best performance, Hyper-V is a good option. Okay, so still, it looks like Hyper-V is the go-to. I would probably run Hyper-V if I was you. Or, actually, if I was you, I would flash an Ubuntu image and completely wipe my Windows OS and switch to Linux. And then use VMware Workstation, because the Pro version's free now. Gonna have a mental breakdown soon by managing these proxies. Yeah, that was the one annoying thing for the Pro Lab, was every time it resets, you have to go back through and get your reverse shell. Let's just take this string and modify it. Or could I just copy this whole thing and then execute it that way? String host 10, 10, 14, 21. Internal port 4444. Dot execute dot text. No, it doesn't like that. Groovy script, remote code execution. Yeah, of course, Eagle. What happened was I was trying to save notes on Nano's writing down. It would take a lot of time for this lab and accidentally restarted before saving my notes. Yeah, That makes sense. I had a few moments like that. I don't know about that Pro Lab, the one you're doing, but the one that I was dealing with had like internal firewalls. Zephyr did, so like if I just forgot, it, then it would be a couple hours to get back to normal. Oh, that worked. Okay, so I mean, we knew that was gonna work, right? Oh, look at that. Secret key. Oh, did that work? 10, 10, 14, 21, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. There we go. Oh shit. Why are we in the administrator directory? Alright. Nice. We're in. Let's come back to our notes. 10, 10, 14, 21. 4, 4, 4, 4. All right. Actually, what I'm gonna do is Pebble hooked it up with 4, 4, 4, 4. There we go. Oh, look at that. Interesting. That's my history. Let's see. Let's do type config. Oh, also let's do net users. Easy. Alright, so we're at a user. Let's also do the user. Password 1, 2, 3. What's going? Oh man, yeah, you're right. Why is this lagging? What is going on? Maybe that'll help. We're close. There we go. Is that working now? All right. Interesting. There we go. Okay. That's
William
bizarre.
Powell, 1,676,000.
Appreciate you. Welcome.
Yeah.
We're getting active today. Come to the realization that so I'm going to make the jump this year. I'll use THM as practice for Hack the Box. Good call. CIA interfering with FBI. Yeah, apparently so. They're really causing some issues for us. Let's go to PowerShell. Oh, it creates a new terminal session and it doesn't want to work. So what if we do... PowerShell.exe. Or actually, do we have that bypass? We could just run it and then come back to our CMD session? Or what if we try this? Net user KOH. Access denied. So we can't change our password, which would have been helpful for like WinRM. Let's keep going. We're back. We're good. Oh, there's also that owner directory. Administrator, unsecured, workspace directory, Jenkins home. Hudson. It is Jenkins Hudson, so that word list I guess should have worked. Let's do cd.owner. Ask Jeeves. Okay, let's keep moving on. We need to find our password. Secret key. What is this? What is the Jenkins secret key capable of? Oh, it's used to decrypt secrets. Okay. Let's go to the users directory. Admin. Type config.xml. So we have our password hash, our API token. Do hashcat. Oh, do I need to do that? Hashcat, there we go. I just had to... Did it think I was using a variable? Tech M3200. User share. Wordless rocket. Obsidian for notes, good call. It's another clean option. What else is interesting? Jenkins XML, Jenkins War. exe config. I wonder if this is even meant to be cracked. QXML backup. I wish we could figure out what file. Jenkins outlog, is this going to be auth? No. Let's go to see user. Oh, we were just in user content. We got the secret. Update center, plugins, git tool. Jenkins error log. Jenkins wrapper log. Jenkins.xml. Stuck in Vim. Look up the Tom Nom Nom video of how to get out of Vim. I can't get out of this directory. Oh, I have SC impersonate privilege. Let's go decrypt Jenkins identity key. Decrypt Jenkins passwords and secrets. Lovely. Lovely, lovely. Can I go to this? Is there a secrets directory? There is. Type master key. Jeez. Okay. Nothing. Initial admin password. Ooh. Heck, I'm 900. Oh, this could be this could be our password. If we do evil rm attack h user H KOHSEKE 10 10 68 63. Nope, not it. Let's see, what do we need to crack? Yeah, once we get honestly, yeah, I want to try and break out of this directory. Decrypt the master key. So we do have the master key. Decrypt.py. What does this take? Master key, Hudson Util secret. Credentials? .xml. Oh, here's the password hash. Is that what it's talking about? Let's check the data directory. No credentials.xml. This is the same user and password returned by the application. So that'll be... This is in fact the credential plugin. I'll bet 100 million that's Prince Spoofer. Probably a safe bet.
Welcome TR1X0.
Think I'm fucking strong.
What's good?
Oh, appreciate you. Welcome. Duel. All files are located inside. Worth my time. There's no... But we still need secret key. Oh, so there's the secret key. Maybe that's what we need to crack. Let's try this, I guess. Let's try, maybe this will be useful. build. There we go. There's a nano master.key cd secrets directory type master.key. There we go. Nano hudson.util.secret. Let's type this. Ooh. Do you realize the admin password equals admin at Jenkins, your current user? What? Are we sure? Windows 10. Maybe we don't need to crack this then. Am I just going above and beyond? CD tools, CD.
Welcome, Daystar.
Welcome.
You think I'm fucking
Oh, let's go.
What up, Arch?
Thanks for the subscription, brother. I just tried to do that, Suka. It's not working. You think print spoofer is the way to go? Python 3 TACM http.server 80. Do we have wget on here? Curl? Windows cmd retrieve file. Remote file. Yeah, SE impersonate. X copy. X copy. Maybe I'm not supposed to be doing that. There is no WinRM. PSCP. PS exec. Robocopy. PowerShell exe. Okay. So, oh, you don't call it like that. Okay, I thought it was gonna be the dot / 10, 10, 14, 21, 480 / print spoofer.exe. That's why that wasn't working. There we go. What was this error? Error it out. Category not supported exception. TAC O. Print.exe. There we go. I can't move out of this directory. Oh, I can. Oh, I just couldn't go backwards. Oh. Ha ha. Ha 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 ha. Silly mess up. I did not think about the big jump. Nice. Nice. Now, print exe. How to run print spoofer.exe. That doesn't want to work. Do we have to call it the exact name? Print spoofer. PowerShell.exe tech ep bypass tech c print spoofer.exe. What is my execution policy bypass? We've got to figure out a way to get this to execute. PowerShell exe. Oh, wait, we do this. Tech file. Tech no profile. Tech execution. Policy bypass. TAC I, TAC C, CMD. Oh, /? Is that really what it comes down to? Yeah, that's not doing much. Oh, here we go. PowerShell, tech, EP, bypass, lowercase c, boom, boom, print spoofer.exe. Tech H. Oh man. Yeah, that's text you and just a sanity check. That works. It doesn't want to work. Ooh, CD Groovy. Wait, we might be able to get creds? No. Damn. CEH, KDBX. Is that a certificate? Tree? Or is that only PowerShell? No. Searches. WinRT. Serialize, deserializer, deserializer. Online. Yeah, that's true. Oops. Let me try. No. Okay. CD desktop directory. Is it copy? Copy print spoofer.exe over to don't worry.exe. Maybe that's just a bad one? I mean, why is... Locate tech I print spoofer. Print spoofer. Well, I don't want to keep going at this because it feels like a dead end. For now. Not that it's not, but the WinRT, that search connector MS. WinRT search. deserializer. This, I feel like this is creds to connect, right? What is searches in my users folder? Most likely. Can't even change my own permissions. Test for. Or actually, there was another one that I had. Printer bug, exploit, SC impersonate. Can we try a different one? Or maybe potato? CD multi-potato? Let's try this. We'll run on x64. CD documents. URI, HTTP. Alright, let's try and grab this other privask. tater.exe. Oh, there we go. T. Okay, so this one worked. How do we abuse this? Multi-potato exploit. Windows. Multi-potato. Here we go. It's all the potatoes. You have by default value 60 seconds to let system account or any other account authenticate. Using Petit Patam as a trigger from a remote system with a valid low privilege user is of course also possible. Would this work? No. We need to figure out my creds. Whatever the hell my password is. I'd assume it would be in here. Jenkins. I mean, this has got to be my... What the hell's going on? What the hell's going on? This is unfortunate. Let's see if this is better. What is going on?